actively invest in research and development. We create a modern dust-free production workshop, increase equipment, and constantly improve our own products. In the mobile phone flexible display field, Smart set industrialization as a destination. We successfully mass-produced a new type of flexible touch screen, which can be applied to the mobile phone industry. The application of these new products has brought At present, compared with the traditional screen, the GX and XS flexible screen produced by Smart are smaller, thinner, and lower power consumption. These are enormous benefits for the phone's battery life. Meanwhile, flexible display screen collects many advantages such as high contrast, high color gamut, arbitrary banding. This breakthrough technology not only inherits full perspective, an ultra-high color expression, and a high-speed motion picture processing capability on hard screen, but also makes the product become a superstar in display screen family. Smart has been studying the infinite possibility of flexible display technology. For a sustainable development future, we will continuously bring the display technology and products